Hello Sirens, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you follow me on Twitter, you probably know that I ordered from BH Cosmetics. I actually placed the order on the 19th. I didn't hear anything until the 22nd, and then I emailed them, and on the 29th is when I finally got like my shipping information. So it's been a long process. It was just delivered today. I don't know how long she's gonna stay in my lap. Basically, on the 19th, I ordered 4 eye palettes, and I didn't expect to like have anything really happen because it was over the weekend. I got the confirmation email and my order number. So I got that, and then on the 22nd I got an email saying that your items are being ready to ship, and then I didn't hear anything until I emailed them basically like, hey, what's going on? This is my order number, and then that's when they said, here's like your shipping information, your tracking number. So that's what pissed me off. I didn't hear anything at all. So she may run from this. She's afraid of everything. I finally got it today. I took the label off of it and I cut the tape, but I haven't actually opened it. So let's dive into it. So that's what the box looks like inside. I haven't seen this honeycomb type of packing paper before. I don't even remember everything that I ordered. It's been so long. I actually understand, like, with the fires and everything going on in California, things are a little hectic and not able to run as smoothly. I grew up in Southern California. I've dealt with the Santa Ana winds and I've dealt with the fires, so I understand that. I also know that there's weather between me and California, so there is snow. It actually snowed here last night a little bit. And it's currently 38 degrees outside, 38 degrees Fahrenheit. Sorry, big girl. I knew that she would run. Okay. So I got foil eyes. This packaging is a little wonky. It's like coming off right here, like opening a little bit. So, foil eyes for you. Afternoon rendezvous. I don't remember. I remember foil eyes. I don't remember the other ones really. Glam Reflection Rosé, Rose, and Glam Reflection Smoke. Now, both of the Glam Reflections are 15 eyeshadows. 15 color shadow palettes. I'm assuming that some of these are probably going to be pressed pigments as well. It says eyeshadows. So these, yeah, 15 eyeshadow. So I guess that these are actually eyeshadows and not pressed pigments. This is a 16 color eyeshadow palette. So there's 16 colors in this one, and then this one is 28. And it's also listed as an eyeshadow palette. I don't see anything about pressed pigments. So, I don't know if you can see the fire behind me. I call the fire calcifer. If you don't know what it's from, you need to watch Howl's Moving Castle. Alright, so I'm diving into foil eyes. Oh, that's interesting. That's what the palette looks like. It doesn't really have any shade names either. So, oh my goodness. I hope I don't break it or break a nail. Okay, it's got a little plastic. I'm going to keep that, set that off to the side. These are actually really pretty. So that's what they look like. I'm going to do swatching of each palette for its own individual video because that would take way too long if I tried to do it in one video. Okay, now this is Afternoon Rendezvous. 16 colors. It's got a little protective sleeve on it. It's a cardboard. It's got another plastic thing and a decent sized mirror. The Foil Eyes does not have a mirror. So that's all of them right there. And it's really pretty. I'm so excited to try this one down here. Black with the teal blue sparkles. Now I ordered from BH Cosmetics because I've seen a lot of people say that they're amazing products. Unfortunately, they are not sold in my stores. Or if they do, it's like, no, you know what, I do remember seeing like a little label or like sign saying BH Cosmetics, but it's such a tiny selection. Like, I don't even think they have very many things. This is the Glam Reflection Rosé. It's like a rose gold chrome cover. The back was just like a black plastic. The whole entire lid is a flippin' mirror, dude. That's cool. And it's also got the plastic covering on it, so I like that. This palette is a little warmer than I anticipated, but I'll see if I can make it work because it's really pretty. Ow! I just closed my hand, like the fleshy part of my palm right here in the case. Don't do that, it doesn't feel good. Alright, and that was just a straight out chrome top with just a black backing. Ooh. Oh, yes, 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 yes. I love this. This is something that I could really dive into regularly. Love the colors. Feeding Calcifer. I'm actually gonna go put that movie on now. So yeah, that was my unboxing, first impressions. Foil Eyes, not really a huge fan of the packaging. I haven't done any swatches yet, so I'm not sure. Afternoon Rendezvous, I actually like that it has a mirror in it, but it's like a cardboard packaging. The other two, the Glam Reflections, those are the hard plastic cases with the chrome finish on the front. So I like the packaging on the Glam Reflections. They're weighty, they're not super heavy, but they're not super light like Afternoon Rendezvous. Afternoon Rendezvous isn't super light either, but we will see how things perform. It is currently Halloween, and I'm so thankful that I actually got a treat instead of a trick. So yeah, I'm gonna start cooking dinner, and then we will see what I'm gonna do with these. Like I said, each one is gonna have its own video, because if I try to do, let me see here, let's count how many pots we actually have. I got my phone on me, so I'm just gonna use the calculator. There's 74 eyeshadows right here. I actually got all these on sale. Pulled it up. Foil Eyes, I got, like I said, all four of these were on sale. Foil Eyes was $9.60. Glam Reflection Smoke and Glam Reflection Rose or Rosé, they each were $10.80, and Afternoon Rendezvous was $7.20. That's all US dollars. Subtotal was $38.40. Shipping was $7.95, for a grand total of $46.35. I ordered, like I said, October 19th, like super early in the morning. So I ordered on the 19th. I didn't get my, that's when I got my order confirmed. Your order is getting ready to ship was sent out October 22nd. And like the track your order right there, like it just would not work. I could click visit our store and it would work, but track your order didn't work. So then I sent an email October 29th, and that's when they like sent me links. October 30th is when I got the email back saying, with the links. Scheduled delivery. On here it says that it was supposed to be delivered yesterday, but it wasn't. And that's what I've been getting the whole entire time. Like the whole time, using that tracking number that I was emailed. So status not available the whole time. Okay, so the last bit of that video got really fuzzy. For whatever reason, I tried to show the picture on my phone and it didn't work. We are going to say goodbye now. Want to get down? What do you want to do? I don't force her to do anything. She's a very spooky cat. She's a rescue. I didn't have the best start at life. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I'm mostly on Twitter now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any ideas of color combinations you want to see out of any of these palettes, preferably the same palette. I'll probably mix and match because I do that every once in a while. Actually, I already have a look planned for this one, and it's based off of a Facebook post that my best friend shared, and it's based off of a duck, but the colors of the duck reminded me of the colors in this palette. Like, this was really the only palette that I remembered ordering. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.